All right, here we go. 777 Sammy's. Let's do it. Film. Jeep's moaning and groaning a little bit on the steering because they're just time joints. You got to throw some WD-40 in pretty much before every trail ride. The sand gets in them, and that's when you start having problems. Well, noises anyway, not really problems. I'll Jeff get up there a little bit. Hey, go ahead and go back over the other side of that big rock right there. I might have to pay him a little bit of money. But don't tell him I said that. Please don't tell him I said that. Somebody on the radio trying to make SOS calls or something. Who knows? There we go. It's a little tight. Alright, now we're going to go. Oh, we go up there. Hey, hop in for a sec, Jeff. Let's get up here a little bit. Alright.
Double Sammy, rated at 7, but not quite what we just went through.
No, we just went on an 8. Double Sammy's a 7.
Just finished 777.
There we go. Easy peasy, piece of cake. Looks like he's got some stuff right in our way. There. Those 3 plastic things. Try to get just next to him. Don't want to hit him on purpose, but okay, we're good. Alright. Let's see here. Yep. It'll fit right here in this gap. If you want to run up there a couple rocks, I'll get turned around right here. Not too shabby. Not quite sure where we go from here. Where do we go from here, bud? This way? Looks like I go down right over here. Hey, looks like I go down right here and go up. Let me get over there. Yeehaw! Alright, here we go. Oh, stupid hitch. Yep, stupid hitch. Whew. Let's scoot over a little bit. Alright. You know what's sad? Is as much vehicles it takes to get up here, there's still a Honda in the way. Look at that, with the camera. There's still a daggone Honda in the way. Jeez. They're everywhere. If they're not on the highway, they're on, somehow got on the off-road trails. Ah, he's moving. What a good guy. Jeff, we're good. Oh. There's a guy walking up. What's going on? Got one more coming or? He's still coming? Is there a Jeep coming up? A Ford Ranger? Are you serious? Alright. Huh? That could be true. Yeah. So I got somebody in a Ford Rangers coming up. We're clearing the heck up here. So clear down there right next to the water up all this stuff. Does not look intimidating. But I promise it is. As soon as this guy passes, or if he can even make it up. CJ6. I'm out of the way. You got a clear shot right through. CJ6. Does he need a winch? Oh!
We'll just let you drive over them and we'll go back and get it.
I don't want to ruin your stuff.
No.
It's just stuff. I don't give a crap about stuff. Cost somebody money.
Right.
Thanks, Matt. Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Ah, I see what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
All right. Well, here's Jeff, and we'll get going. Oh, everybody. Fab Rats, Matt's Off-Road. Yeah. This was down at Chad's Fab a couple weeks ago.
What?
This was down at Chad's Fab a couple weeks ago.
Oh, really?
I had Chad do a couple things to it, so.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
You got a fuel accident for holy smokes, that thing's wide.
Yep. Dan is 60 in the front, Dan is 70 in the rear. So, pretty cool.
Awesome, guys.
Have a good one. He told me to run those over. I'm going to try to see if I can do it without running those over. I mean, I guess they are flat, but... Yeah. Yeehaw! Hitch. Go ahead and get up there a little bit. I'm going to take this stupid hitch out.
That's probably like 7 foot to the top of this right here. Just an idea of how steep this shit is. Let's go up one more. Tweet. I mean, here's this one. Me standing, that's probably about 8 to 9 feet right there. He'll probably go up this portion though. I can't even make it up it.
Huh?
Come up right here. Can you see the tire marks on the back? Diagonal straight behind you.
Give it a bump. Yeah. All right. Where do we go? Up here? Or up there? I don't care. Go up this one? Let's make sure those kids are out of the way. Oh, this should be fun. Not quite sure which line to take on this one.
Looks like they run up this way.
And then kick over, huh? Yep. Those kids out of the way, Jeff? No, those kids, are they out of the way? Yeah. Don't? Well, isn't there a hole on that side too? Yeah, maybe go to the top or something.
Don't stick on this edge. Go a little bit. Now, 4 inches.
Woo! Forget that, man. Woo! Man, that was good. I'm gonna go around. Woo! Felt that Jeep kick up on the back tires, and I said, nope, that's enough of that. I see where I should have gone.
Stay right.
Huh? That's where I should have gone. Huh?
If you're at this, probably going to slide down. Stay right.
How far right?
Keep going over right.
Alright.